All right, welcome to today's live stream. I'm your host, Jaden Sterling. Thanks so much for being here. We appreciate you. Welcome to all of our new subscribers and to our old I don't want to say old, to our original subscribers, to the folks who have been with us for all these years. Thanks so much for being here. We're grateful to you and for you. Let's dive in today. So we've got a big earnings week coming out. After the close today is Rambus. And tomorrow, as you can see, we've got Visa, PayPal, Starbucks, UPS, Boeing. I mean, that's the big names this week. And the option premiums are off the charts for some of these stocks. I hope you're taking a look at selling some covered calls against your position to boost your returns, to increase income. It's just an absolute no-brainer this week. We got Meta after the close on Wednesday, Thursday, Apple, Amazon. I mean, this Reddit, like, it's just a massive week. As you can see, Roku and some oil and gas companies on Friday. So anyway, take a look at your holdings. I'll explain to you in a moment what I mean about those option premiums. But let's take a look at, let's see what these stocks are doing based on their 50 moving day average. And they're down. They are down. We're only looking at 69.27% of stocks above their 50-day moving average. And so that is, to me, that is a very good indicator. If we continue to see this metric going higher and higher, then we could make a strong argument for a very toppy market. But it really seems like we've got room to go here. So from the home page, as you can see, the NASDAQ is up 32 points. The Dow is now up. NASDAQ's up 36. Dow is down 129. Crude is up. Silver is off slightly, 38.24 an ounce. Bitcoin down slightly. So, you know, we need to see these slight pullbacks here and there. We need to really know that as an investor, those are helpful to us, helpful to our portfolios because of, you know, there's some profit taking going on. And that's great. Nothing wrong with that. This certainly isn't a market to panic in. I believe we're definitely going higher. I just want to bring to your attention a streaking stock rocket that is crushing it right now. AMD. Holy smokes. Look at that. It's on our to the moon list, 11 trading days on the stock rocket list. And as you can tell by the chart, it is ready to go to the moon. We've got the stock price above all of the averages, short term, intermediate term, and long term. Look, stacked perfectly, green above red, 15 above the 50, and the 50 above the 200. On it from a technical standpoint, this chart can't look any better. Now, we do have the MFI getting slightly toppy here at 86. And it's had this extended move above 70 here for a bit. As you can tell by all those green bars right here above, lots of buying on the stock, very little selling in the last few weeks. So it could mean that we might see AMD pull back, especially after today's big move, up almost 4%. Just a massive move in the stock. So if you're holding this stock and making money with it, take a look at the options expiring this. Can you believe Friday's August 1st already? Expiring this Friday, the calls, depending on what your purchase price was with the stock, you know, that's where you'll take a look at how far out of the money to go. But, you know, if you're holding it, which you probably are, well below this price point, then even looking at like the 175s for Friday, paying 267. So if I divide 2.67 divided by the strike of 175, that gets me a current return of 1.5% from that option premium. Not bad for 1 week. If you compound that, every single week, you could very well easily get a 50% rate of return just on the option premiums alone. So hope you saw how I did that. It's not rocket science. Don't be afraid of options. They're an amazing investment, really helpful to your portfolio. Just start to familiarize yourself and get to know them a little bit. All right, this past weekend, the guys were busy. They improved the support request form on the desktop version. So if you head over to our help and support tab, click that, click tech support, it will automatically put your name in and your email address. You type in the subject and the message, and you can add attachments now. Yay! They're rocking over there. Those guys are awesome. And then click submit ticket, and they will get back to you in a timely fashion. So we wanted to bring that to your attention. They revamped the whole thing. Eventually, it will also be available on the app, but for now, it's only desktop version. Okay, so I wanted to bring to your attention, I came across this article on Yahoo Finance, 18 ChatGPT prompts to use to increase your wealth. And one of the prompts was, as I scroll down, the first prompt, how can I improve my credit score? So I read through these and I thought they were very good questions. And so I decided, let's give our Finley a try with this particular question. And I asked Finley, there we go. Exact same question. How can I improve my credit score? I did it all, my all caps must have been on at that point. And Finley came back with 8 really sensible, great options for you. Great strategies. I read them all. I liked all of them. I thought they were bang on. So if you're not using Finley to the fullest, please take advantage of this great tool. It's found on the top of the page. Every page in our website. Click through, ask Finley any questions you want. We have done our best to program this thing in a way that it has access to a lot of data, a lot of information in order to be helpful for you. So definitely check out Finley. Look at your holdings for the week and see what stocks you have that are posting earnings this week, and take a look at those covered call strategies for your portfolio. Look, Roblox on Thursday's a big tech day. Usually seems like Thursday is Wednesday as well. Meta, Robinhood. So check out Applied Blockchain. Check these out. Look at the ones that you own in your portfolio and see what type of option premium you can get as you consider selling contracts against your positions that are out. You sell the contracts out of the money so that if the stock were called away on Friday, that you would be assured to make money on that investment. Hope this is helpful to you. Again, take Finley for a spin. Ask it as many questions as you can that would suit your needs. Finley is great at knowing. Finley knows what's in your portfolio. It knows what's in, as long as you've clicked the box that you have these stocks in your portfolio. It also knows what's on your watch list. So if you ask it to give you some advice on what stocks to buy, it will look at the portfolio first and then the watch list and give you recommendations based on those. Then if you don't have anything in either portfolio or watch list, it will just pull from our entire database. So I hope this is helpful for you. I hope you have a great week.